Stop frying your eggs because you're loading your body with unnecessary fat. Watch this simple trick, and I guarantee you'll never cook them the same way again. First, fill a frying pan with enough water. Then place it on the stove over high heat and wait until the water comes to a boil. Now place a metal strainer directly over the pan, making sure it sits securely on the rim. Carefully crack an egg and let it fall directly into the strainer. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. During that time, the steam will cook the egg evenly, creating a soft, delicate texture without the need for any oil or butter. Once the time is up, turn off the heat and carefully lift the egg out with a spatula. You'll end up with a perfectly cooked egg featuring a tender egg white and a creamy yolk in the center. Just look at how it cuts with a knife. The texture is incredible, and it's such an easy way to get a result that looks like it was made by a professional chef. If you didn't know this trick, save this video so you can try it later.